what we've got here is a very interesting model, right? 24 scale.
What's interesting in it?
Well, it's a military 24 scale. They don't usually do that. And
Mind blown.
Mind blown. Open it up. Open it up. Go to top cam.
Well, what have you done to the top camera?
Nothing. Just zoom in a bit.
I'll have to.
I'm being a bit edgy. Look at that. It's dynamic.
It's hugely dynamic. I'm going to open this up. You're going to try and get the, you can double tap on that, mate, and it'll come up big for you. So what am I looking at here? Looks like it's got wood.
Does it
come with wood?
That's why I've, you know, opened this.
Unlike Tony Gray, it's got wood.
It's got good wood as well. So this is laser cut wood, balsa wood, and cardboard for some of the boxes that they would have in this vehicle. This Second World War era vehicle.
Here you go.
It's an extra add-on the ASUKA models have put in this to enhance your diorama or your model.
So it's got a K-ration,
Mm-hmm.
K-ration shipping case, and a ammunition chest.
Yeah.
There you go.
In case you want to blow up some bad guys. Bad guys.
Bad, good.
I'd say that the main...
Depends which side you're on.
The main, yeah.
Isn't it?
Depends who wins, right?
I'm a bad guy.
I'm a guy. I'm just a dude. Just a dude with a model of a American Batman.
American.
Bantam. Anyway, this is the engine parts. I
love the engine parts.
Chassis. Yeah, it comes with all
Chassis.
interior.
Sounds
and
a bit
whatnot.
French, doesn't it? Chassis.
Chateau. Oh, oui, oui.
Chassis.
Baguette. Chasse what? And you get decals in this kit as well. This is your instruction. You get
the chassis.
Just married.
What does that refer to? It
refers to whoever got married in this car, putting a just married sign on it. There they are. The sailors getting married. Anyway, this is...
I didn't think the sailors were allowed to get married to each other. I thought Trump was all against that.
Maybe. I don't know. No trans people in the military, apparently. Maybe back then there were.
It's offensive.
I'm not sure. Anyway, you're getting all this succulent detail. Succulent Chinese meals.
Succulent detail.
In the box, and yeah, there you go.
How's the tyres?
Rubber. Yeah, they're pretty good. They'll crack after 10 years, but whatever. Chuck that back in. Chuck it all back in. I would say that this is my pick of the day.
Your pick of the day, after Ned.
After Ned.
But we forgot Ned.
But we forgot Ned because I was so engrossed on just getting this thing started.
Were you?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Let's get it started in here.
Get it done.
Get it started.
So what are you doing now?
Shall I go get Tony and you can deliver the amazing news to these guys?
You can get Tony.
Yeah?
You can go out there and grab a Ned.
Yeah, I'll swap.
And we can talk about Neds when you get back.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
We've sold 4 of them today.
I reckon it's good.
Let's do it.
Ned's flying out the door. Guy.